Akiaria muthenya umwe tu thutha wa cira wa munini wa mucirithania munene Philomena Mwilu kurugamio ni igoti inene, mutongoria wa mung'ethaniro Raila Odinga ni oritie ruhonge rwa igoti guthurimaga wira uria uratwarwo mbere yao kamuira rituite ituoro riothe.
That we want the judiciary to play their role. It is the role of the judiciary to listen to evidence and make convictions.
Raila uria nyitete baru mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta bara-ini ya kuhurana na ungumania oyite yo noyo njira ya gutigirira kuri na umiranu na uma muheanira-ini wa motungata kuri muingi.
And this war against corruption has started, and we knew what turn it was going to take. I've urged most of our people not to panic, not to have any doubts about the direction that this war is going to take. It's going to come to very close to your relatives, people who are very dear to you. But all that we want is to ensure that there is no victimization, that there is no unfair prosecution.
Everybody who is working for the Republic of Kenya must do everything in accordance with the law. And if you're a thief, you have to carry your own burden. You will not have to run to Raila Odinga or Uhuru Kenyatta. There was nobody who is going to defend you when you destroy or take away public property.
Ihinda-ini riu abunge kuma kiama-ini kia ODM ni moritie mutongoria wa bururi gwikira kirore mutaratara wa kigina utuike watho niguo ndugacenjagio ni mundu oro wothe hatari kihariro.
Parliament is a legislative assembly that is concerned with the laws of Kenya, and the bill 2013 and that finance committee bill, which was done by Wakina Tandi, because Atandi sits in the finance committee, when the president assents to it, all this ulabaloo of Rotich will be no more.
Parliament does not act in vain. And once we make a resolution on matters touching on tax, that is final. And we know that His Excellency Raila Odinga and the President of the Republic of Kenya are in talking terms.
Ritana riao rigiuka mathaa manini thutha wa ministry ya kigina kuga igoti ria gicunji gia 16 hari igana kuri maguta ni rikugathikwo ona thengia ya bunge kurugamia igoti riu kwa ihinda ria miaka iri ukite. Ni moritie minister wa kigina Henry Rotich gwikinyia mbere ya kamiti ya bunge igi kigina niguo atariria gitumi gia kugathika gicunji kiu ona thengia ya bunge kurugamia kugathikwo kwa igoti riu.